Hey guys, it's Belle here. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to make basic chain bracelets. And these are mostly for beginners, so I'll be using a beginner hook and a Y-shaped mini loom. You will also need a C-clip and some bands. I'll be using pink and purple. And for my wrist, I will use about 22 bands, and if your wrist is bigger or smaller, you could decrease or increase the bands. Also, you could use whatever colors you like. So first, you're gonna take your first color and you're gonna put it across the loom, twisted. Like that. So you got a figure 8. Push it down. Take your next color and put it on top of the loom, but no crossing. And then you're gonna take your hook and you're gonna flip the bottom purple band up and over like that. It should look something like this. Now push it down, take your next color. The last color I used pink, so I'm gonna use purple. I'm just gonna alternate the colors, and you're not gonna twist it. You're just gonna put it on top of the loom, and then loop the bottom pink band up and over. Do the same on both pins. Push it down. And you're gonna repeat the process until your bracelet gets longer and longer. So another band on top, grab the purple band and loop it upwards. Push it down. It should look like this. And you're gonna maybe count how many times you did that. I already did 4 times. So I used 4 bands, and I'm gonna do it 22 times. So I'm gonna keep going until my bracelet is long enough for me. I'm gonna grab my last band, do my last looping, and right now it should look like this. And then you're gonna need your S-clip or your C-clip. Now you're gonna grab both ends on the hook, like that. And then you're gonna put it on 2 fingers. Take your S-clip or a C-clip and go through those 2 loops. Make sure you go through all of them, or else it'll fall out. And then you're gonna go to the other side, fold your bracelet in half, and you should see a loop like that. Grab both and clip it at the other side. And it should look something like this. You're gonna stretch it a bit. And this is it. Your chain bracelet is done. I hope you like it, and don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you found it easy to make.